India, as a superpower, is not just an ambition, but a gradual and realistic journey rooted in its history, resources, and democratic values. A superpower is not defined only by military strength, but also by economic capacity, technological advancement, political stability, cultural influence, and global responsibility. In these dimensions, India is steadily emerging as a significant global power. Economically, India is one of the fastest-growing major economies in the world, with a large domestic market, a strong service sector, and growing manufacturing through initiatives like Make in India. The country has shown resilience even during global crises. India's demographic dividend, its young population, provides a long-term advantage, especially if supported by education, skill development, and employment opportunities. In terms of military strength, India possesses one of the largest armed forces in the world and is a nuclear power with credible minimum deterrence. Indigenous defense production, through organizations like DRDO and private industry participation, is reducing dependence on imports. India's strategic location in the Indo-Pacific region further enhances its importance in global security and maritime trade routes. Technological progress is another pillar of India's rise. India has proven its capabilities in space technology through cost-effective missions like Chandrayaan and Mars Orbiter mission. The growth of digital infrastructure, UPI, and startups has positioned India as a global innovation hub. Leadership in IT services and emerging areas like artificial intelligence and renewable energy strengthens India's global competitiveness. Diplomatically, India follows a balanced and independent foreign policy. It maintains strategic partnerships with major powers such as the United States, Russia, and the European Union, while also leading platforms like the G20, BRICS, and the Quad. India's emphasis on dialogue, peace, and respect for sovereignty enhances its credibility as a responsible global actor. Its role in peacekeeping missions and humanitarian assistance reflects moral leadership. Culturally, India's soft power is immense. Yoga, Ayurveda, Indian cinema, cuisine, and democratic values have global appeal. The Indian diaspora plays a vital role in strengthening economic and diplomatic ties worldwide. This cultural influence helps India shape global narratives without coercion. However, India still faces challenges on its path to becoming a superpower. Issues such as poverty, inequality, infrastructure gaps, environmental degradation, and regional disparities need sustained attention. Education and healthcare reforms are essential to fully utilize human potential. Internal security and social harmony are equally critical for long-term stability. In conclusion, India may not yet be a traditional superpower, but it is undoubtedly an emerging one.